Okay, from a fighting stance, what I want you to notice is how he brings his knee up first. The knee comes up high, then he snaps it forward. This is really important in most of your martial arts kicks. From the side, I want you to notice that he pulls his toes back and exposes the ball of his foot. The ball of his foot is what he's going to make contact with. He's pulling his toes back so he doesn't jam his toes and injure himself. Okay, putting it all together now. Knee comes up, snap forward, toes pulled back, kicking with the ball of your foot. Make sure that when you use a front kick, that the energy is driving forward. You're kicking through your opponent, knocking him backwards. This is real important, especially in a real fight.